Meaning of daybreak.
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 Daybreak. Daybreak refers to the moment at which the sun begins to rise and daylight starts to emerge, marking the end of night and the beginning of a new day. It is often associated with a sense of renewal, hope, and a fresh start. The term can also be used figuratively to describe the start of a new era or period of change in someone's life. Daybreak is a beautiful and peaceful time of day that many people enjoy experiencing, whether it's watching the sunrise or going for an early morning walk.